the Isoform LSO in 3 simple steps.
Loosen the brace by detaching the pull tab from the loop exterior. Pull the brace in opposite directions. Center the rear section of the belt at the midline of the lower back so that the belt is just above the crease of the buttocks. Secure the hook portion of the donning mitt to the loop exterior. Before tightening the brace, make sure the rear panel section is positioned evenly on both sides. To tighten the brace, slip your thumbs through the holes in the pull tabs and pull the tabs away from your body. Secure the pull tabs to the loop exterior. Adjust the compression as needed. To remove the brace, loosen it by detaching the pull tabs from the loop exterior. Unhook the donning mitt from the loop exterior and take off the brace. If using the optional hot-cold pack, follow the instructions on the pack. Insert hot-cold into pocket and adhere to back panel. To reduce brace migration, follow these easy steps. Before sitting, loosen the brace by detaching the pull tab from the loop exterior. Once seated, tighten the pull tab by pulling it across the body and adhering to the loop exterior. When the patient stands up, readjust.